Mga ka-Nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Gesto, and for today's episode 94, we'll master drinks and foods with Diversion 21 Cafe. Diversion 21 Cafe is now brewing for coffee lovers and get your daily dose of coffee, delicious pasta, sandwiches, and cookies. You're open every day starting 1 p.m. until 9 p.m. You're located at Benigno Aquino Avenue, Diversion Road, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. For full list of menus and other details, I'll provide description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Diversion 21 Cafe. And disclaimer lang mga Nose, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always get notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong i-skip. Malaking tulong na yun sa aking channel. This is Jerry's Coffee for 95 pesos. This coffee is their signature drink and one of their best sellers. It has a unique balance of coffee essence at the same time for its well-balanced sweetness for this product. This is Caramel Macchiato for 85 pesos. Famous coffee flavor, it has a distinctive taste of its caramel essence at the same time for its macchiato coffee and layers. This is Hazel Nut Latte for 85 pesos. It has a precise hazelnut or nutty flavor, smooth texture for latte. These are Oreo Cookie Frappe for 135 pesos. It has a good balance for its Oreo granules, distinctive yung 3 flavors for this drink. These are ChocoChip Dough Frappe for 130 pesos. It has a nice combination for its smoothness, sweet, and chocolatey feel for this frappe base or drink. These are KitKat Frappuccino for 135 pesos. It's an excellent combination of its famous KitKat chocolate at the same time for its coffee essence. These are classic cookies for 12 pesos each. A soft texture for its cookies, sweetness, and also for its chocolatey feel. Perfect for kids and great match for your hot or iced coffee. These are Fettuccine Carbonara for 195 pesos. On point yung creaminess for its sauce, soft noodles, and very delicious and worth it pasta experience. These are Hearty Tuna Sandwich for 125 pesos. Spot on yung presentation and also for its quality tuna meats, sauces, and also for its soft bread. These are spaghetti with meatballs for 195 pesos. For this pasta, hindi siya yung typical Pinoy sweet spaghetti, but it has a similar process and taste for its Italian spaghetti and also for its meatballs, sobrang soft, tender, and savory meats for this amazing pasta experience. These are crispy apple chicken sandwich for 125 pesos. So first time ko experience that crispy apple and also for its chicken meats, nag-well blend sila for its savory, tender, softness, and fruity feel for this sandwich experience. Okay, for rating mga Nose, based sa aming reviews, experience with Biboy and Gelo for their foods, drinks, and services, we'll give it a perfect 10. Ito sobrang enjoy kami for its quality, appearance na present sa amin during our vlog shoot. It has a unique taste for its signature coffee blends and worth it talaga yung overall experience for this amazing food finds in Iloilo City. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank Ma'am Sheila for inviting us and sa mga staff, chefs, and baristas for accommodating us for that amazing and wonderful cafe experience. And also, thank you so much sa mga fellow Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko during that shoot, kay Biboy and kay Gelo. Congratulations to Diversion 21 Cafe. See you on my next brand and taste review here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!